Today I'm going to show you how to spray polyurethane a chalk paint project. I am becoming a fast fan of spray-on sealers for chalk paint because of how fast they are to do and the fact that I don't have to keep coming back and wiping wax off, and that I don't have to come back in the future and reapply more wax as the years go by. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, the first thing you want to do is make sure your can of poly is shaken up well. Take the drawers out of the dresser, and this is a really cool thing that makes for a lot less finger fatigue and discomfort. It just snaps on your spray can and you pull this and it sprays. So if you're going to spray a lot of stuff, it's pretty cool to have. When you use spray paint or spray sealer on furniture, you want to start and stop your spray at the end of each pass. So you would start it before you get to the furniture, and you would end it at this end. You also want to fan in and out. So you start slightly raised from your piece, come across it, and raise up as you get to the end. That keeps you from getting pools of polyurethane and just uneven, blotchy look if you don't do it like that. So fan it in, come across, and fan it out. Stop your spray. Start your spray, come back across, stop your spray. Here we go. We'll come back later and flip these handles up to get the underside. Now, since we sprayed that way, we need to get these edges. So fan in and out there. And we need to get this top edge because from the angle we were at, we did not get that well. On the front of the dresser, you want to go with the grain of the wood. So across the top that way, across there, and then on these parts, you want to go up and down. Same thing, start your spray out from your project, fan it in, and stop, come back. And do your verticals. On the sides, all you got to do is follow the grain of the wood. So I'm going to go across this edge. I won't be able to get part of this in frame, but stop and start and fan it in. If I was doing a white or a light colored project, I would not use polyurethane because it will yellow at least somewhat over time. With a colored paint, from what I've seen, you can't tell that it has yellowed some because of the pigment color in the paint. So bottom edge, I'm just going to go across that. Same technique. This dresser, I'm going to do a minimum of 2 coats. If you have regular use of a dresser, not children, 2 coats should be fine. If you have heavy traffic or children, you can do 4 coats, would probably do well. On the top of the dresser, I'm going to do the edges. And then fan in and out. If you wanted to, you could wet sand your polyurethane, which basically just makes it a little bit smoother, but I usually don't do that because you cannot tell by looking at it if it has been wet sanded, and I just don't think it's necessary. But if you want a super smooth surface, get some 1000 grit wet sandpaper. It's usually black. A lot of the times it's in the automotive section, and a spray bottle, and you basically spray your surface down and lightly sand it with this wet sandpaper and then wipe off the residue. So there we go. 2 coats of polyurethane. I kept all the color that I wanted to, since it is my belief that the wax tends to darken the project. I like to use the polyacrylic or the polyurethane when I want to keep all my colors. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please check back often. I put up new videos all the time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.